Wagwan my flavor pot family. Welcome back to the channel at Dre's Authentic Flavor Pot, where every meal tells a story. Today we're gonna be doing a quick and easy one today. Buttery white rice on the stove top and not in a rice cooker. So guess what? The first thing you're gonna do is measure your white rice, and here I use about 1.5 cup. And you're gonna wash that properly several times until the water is clear. Then fill the pot with water like 1 inch above the rice. Just 1 inch above the water. You don't want to add too much. It's better less than too much, because you don't want to spoil your rice. And you can add salt for taste. And here I had a teaspoonful of salt, and you can add less. As I say, you can taste, and then if you taste like it needs more, then you can go ahead and add more to the pot. So it's based on tasting. So after adding the salt, then I add like 2 tablespoons of butter, and then I turn the stove down on a lower heat and leave that to steam. So after about 10 minutes time, now you want to go ahead and check back on your rice. Check to see if all the liquid is dried up, and if so, then you can go ahead and fluff the rice, releasing all the steam. And then after that, now you can cover back your pot and left it to steam for about 6 minutes more until your rice is soft and shelly. And that's it, guys. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you again on another video. Please subscribe. Thank you.